Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on, YouTube? Good morning. You've tuned into another episode of Weird Products Daily. For anybody who's new to the series, this is a new daily series we're doing where we just kind of share weird products every day. Now, some of these things could actually be kind of neat gadgets and just unique products. Other ones are gag gifts, and other ones are just straight up weird products. And kind of the point of this is like threefold. So first off, just to kind of get you thinking about and exploring different niche ideas to make websites, products to sell, businesses, get those creative juices flowing, get you thinking about kind of niches and things like that. For anyone who's a drop shipper, a lot of times these products are good for drop shipping because they're impulse buy type items, and I try to focus on cheaper ones, so we do have some that are higher priced. And then lastly, a lot of these products that aren't goofy or gag gifts that are more practical, a lot of times we'll see that they have low Amazon reviews. So this could be a product that you could quote unquote improve cat. Improve cat, kind of like copycatting, but basically taking somebody else's product, looking at the reviews, seeing what people don't like about it, low quality materials, it breaks easy, the instructions weren't clear, trying to manufacture that yourself and improve upon it, and then rolling out an improved version. So today's product is a really kind of stupid item, but it's actually selling. They have 20 Amazon reviews, and as anybody who's sold on Amazon specifically, but really anywhere online before, you probably get anywhere from 40 to 100 sales for every person who actually leaves a review. So when you see reviews, they probably have a lot more sales than they have reviews. This is the No Phone Air phone. And it's called the No Phone Air, and it's literally no phone. You're getting nothing. You're getting a package inflated with just air. There's literally nothing inside here. You see the hand holding nothing. You're essentially buying an invisible phone. This is clearly a gag gift. What does it say here? With a thin, light, and invisible design, the No Phone Air feels like nothing is in your hand because it is nothing in your hand. We took away the headphone jack, and then we took away everything else. Put down your smartphone and pick up the No Phone Air. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Picture of the packaging. Headphone. Look at, we got the iPhone. We got the iPhone 10. Headphone jack? No. Airphone? No. Operating system? Yes. Airphone? No. Screen? Yes. No. Processor? Yes. No. So the earphone is literally nothing. They did put together kind of a clever, I can't hear the audio here, but I think you guys can probably hear this. Yeah, they put together kind of a fun video, and this is kind of piggybacking off Kanye West had made kind of a viral tweet a while back saying he got rid of his phone to let him kind of focus on life or whatever else. But they're charging you, it looks like there's two sellers selling this, $5.99 plus $3.03 shipping, and they're just selling you a bag of air. People got, and a lot of people will kind of do this, these kind of funny kind of gag gift type things, and people kind of pick up on it and kind of start joking in like the Amazon questions and comments section. Is it durable? Very durable. Like it's not even there. Is this phone available in a Plus version? Yes, the Plus version is twice as wide as the original. Does this device have a Find My Phone function? I'm asking for a friend. That's a great thing about this phone. It's never lost because it doesn't exist. And then people leave kind of funny, clever comments as well. What this kind of reminded me of is two things. A couple years ago on Black Friday, Cards Against Humanity put up a listing on their site for nothing. So you basically just gave them $25. And here was an article about that. Cards Against Humanity made a fortune selling nothing on Black Friday. Tons of people blindly handed over cash for literally nothing. I'll link to this article if anybody wants to check it out. It also reminded me of another article. This is maybe from about a year and a half ago. Fresh air for sale. Man sells to Chinese at $115 per bottle. For some reason, people in China with too much money buy a lot of weird shit. And I remember hearing about this when this guy was literally bottling fresh mountain air in mason jars, and then selling these mason jars in China for $115 for a mason jar full of mountain air. And so these are, I'm not sure why people are actually paying this much, but kind of all these are examples of just kind of silly gag gift type items. Like, who would buy this? I mean, if you have like a son, daughter, young niece or nephew who's like obsessed with their phone and, their nose is always buried in their phone, you might buy this for them for a gag gift. Like, hey, this might help you focus on life a little bit more. So yeah, I mean, obviously not a gadget here, not a really feasible product to use. This is completely just a gag gift, but it kind of goes to show that if you put some creativity and kind of craft some idea, that you can literally make money off nothing but a bag of air. So thought this was interesting. Figured I'd share it with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Have you seen any other kind of funny kind of selling nothing, or just stupid gag gifts that are kind of similar to this, let us know. Drop a comment in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, or if you want to see more of these Weird Products Daily videos, hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.